Hi guys, welcome to Pocket Estimator. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to calculate your brick quantities and your mortar joint material requirements. So first of all, if you go into the Pocket Estimator app, you can follow through into the material calculator, building fabric, and then you can choose whether you want a block wall or a brick wall. So we'll go with brick wall for this demonstration. You want to first select the length of your wall. So for this we'll say 5 meters by 3 meters high, and that'll give you the surface area, which is 15 meters squared in this instance. Below it you've got your brick dimensions, so 215 mil and 65 mil high. Brick price, so we'll go for an average of £1.30 a brick, let's say. And then just below it you'll see the brick quantity, so 1074 bricks. And then below that we've got the cement package. So here you can select whether you're buying it in a 25 kg, 40 kg or 1 ton bag. I'll stick to 25 kg as that's the standard weight it comes in. Cement price, I'm going to go for a £5.99 bag, and then sand price, we'll go for a £4.50 bag. And then below that you can see the total cement requirement and sand requirement in kg. And then right below that you can see you need 3 bags of cement and 15 bags of sand, and then you've got the total cost of the brickwork including the cement and sand for the mortar joint. For more information on the other tutorials, please follow the rest of the videos and I'll keep you updated on any new features we add. Thank you.